Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Travel with the Dans.
Welcome to this week's episode of Travel with the Dans. We are at the Holiday Inn Media City UK and we are going to have quite a controversial stay. We've got problems with check-in, we have to change rooms. It's going to be a good episode, so come with us to what I believe is the worst Holiday Inn experience I've ever received. If you're ready for the journey, I'm ready for the journey. Come with us, join us for the journey. It's Travel with the Dans.
We're now having a look around at the dockside and we're going to make our way through to the hotel. It's cold, that's why we're dressed up like this, and we're going the long way round because I like the long way. Do you like the long way? Oh look, there's some trams here. What noise does the tram make?
I don't know what truck noises do they make.
We was taking this trip as part of a Manchester City break. Our full vlog will be coming soon, but you can check out our visit to Prezzo where we ate just before making our way to what we thought was a Premier Inn.
The room. You're breaking the shot now. Drop the co-op sign. Back to my coach touring days. I've actually got a photo of where I used to work at the coach parks here when we did the Coronation Street tours.
It was at this stage where I'd realised I'd booked the Premier Inn for the wrong date and we'll be staying at the Premier Inn later on this year. So we needed a hotel quick and we went with Holiday Inn as we are both IHG members. After almost an hour's check-in, we was given a room on a low floor with hairdryers with stains on, walls with holes in and pillows that I wouldn't even let my dog stay on. We changed rooms and was given a complimentary breakfast.
Well, good morning everybody. Didn't sleep that great, a little bit restless after what went on last night. Dan's still in bed, so I've got to be quiet, but we have got a complimentary breakfast, so we have got lunch booked, but I'm just going to go down and get a coffee to start the day, because you know I like to start the day right, so come with me, let's go and have a look what breakfast is. Well, of course, a little bit later on, we're just going to be over there at the Lowry. That's where we're going to be catching our river cruise. And that bridge that you see just up there, that can be raised and lowered to allow larger vessels into the canal. This is the North Basin just here.
One of the hotel's facilities is it does offer a gym on the 8th floor. A new day and a fresh start, and the hotel started redeeming themselves. The breakfast offering was really good, with a great selection of hot items, continental items, cereal items, and everything was very clearly marked with things such as allergens. During the evening, this is a Marco Pierre White restaurant. A good strong coffee and I was already feeling much better and started off with some cereal and oat milk. If you was to pay for breakfast, this would be at £20 per person. Quite a lot of money, I would say, and you could probably eat a lot cheaper nearby. Pause to look at the menu.
Okay, so first course done of some cereal. There's water as well as juices, so I can have a glass of water. So far a really good breakfast and a great selection for vegetarians and vegan. So after my cereals, I'm going with a radioactive egg, some beans and some hash browns with a slice of toast.
Welcome to our room. We're on the 14th floor. Let's show you around. Here we have a nice selection of teas and coffees with some sugars in beverages. Very, very nice. And then here is our fridge.
What brand of teas and coffees do we have?
We have a Walker's biscuit.
So we have Walker's,
Have nice sugar, complimentary. We have
cheap Twinings tea in this cafe.
yeah, very cheap, nasty. And here we have an empty fridge.
Good.
Here is my dressing window. I like a nice dressing window, nice full length.
Fuller.
And we have a stool across the bed. Don't know what we haven't really used that, have we? Well, and here's my business chair. Yeah, we like a nice business chair. Do a lot of business on this business chair. Whee! Whee! Very good. Operates.
What's the plug socket situation like?
Well, we have 2 plug sockets here, and then we have one for the hairdryer. So hairdryer is a must. only has one setting now, which is hot or cold.
Okay, folks, so into your room you have your AC control. Now, when we checked into the room, it was on 24 and was really, really hot. So I haven't slept that well because I found it quite uncomfortable. You're going to need your key card for your electricity. The floor plan is just up there. There is another socket just down there as well. So moving in, you have this very kind of strange, dare I say, 70s, 80s, 90s door, which really doesn't go in fitting, but it's still there. Then your only storage, really, I would say. Now the room's really set up for one, so this is where you'll find additional towels, your iron, things like that, hangers with the little attachment on, details for dry cleaning, ironing board, and additional pillows. Now the reason why we changed rooms was because the pillows in our original room and the hairdryer wasn't very good, and they look like this. And into the bathroom, you've got a nice sink, plenty of storage area, the pooper, glasses, and the shower. It's a really nice powerful shower with Urban Skincare Co. toiletries. We're just getting ready to leave, so this is our second day. Shelves and storage, reading lights just over there. No plug sockets. The TV, it's only a 32-inch TV, but there is an additional plug socket underneath. On this side, you've got your phone if you need to get hold of reception. In our first room, we didn't have one. There is a plug socket here. Dan's used his dual socket so we can both charge our phones, and then a little bit of storage here in the way of 3 drawers. Plug socket here for the lamp if you needed it. The armchair, and then your business desk, but this is actually metal, so quite strange. Another mirror just up here, and then all of your room literature, your room service, all day dining, etc, etc, and that's basically it. The bed I found quite firm, and that is our room at the Holiday Inn Media
Okay guys,
City.
so we are done with the hotel room. How's your stay been?
It's been okay. It's not been the best stay, to be honest.
I think disappointing, the worst Holiday Inn we've stayed at. Do you think?
Yeah, 100%.
We love Holiday Inn. It's normally our go-to hotel brand, and I felt really let down by this stay, to be honest. But anyway, the fun doesn't stop here. We're now off on a river cruise. A river cruise?
Ooh, that's a cruise.
So we're going to go and cruise the Manchester Shipping Canal on the river Irwell or something like that. We'll go and find out anyway with Manchester River Cruises. It's just at the Lowry's, so come with us. Let's go and see what it's all about. We paid £86.33 sterling for one night stay on a room only basis. We was gifted a complimentary breakfast, and as an apology for the state of our first room, was given 25,000 IHG points to use in the future. And that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.